So the two areas that Jay and I are keying in on today to catch these smallmouth bass. Number one is going to be a rocky, gravelly type shoreline, but how we kind of figure out the best areas that the fish are going to hold in is, number one, we look for deeper water, really tight to the bank. So you basically look at your map, find the deepest water in the lake. If you've got rocks along that bank or some type of hard bottom and a combination of docks, that's the first thing you're going to look for is something in that deep section with rocks and docks. Don't forget to fish in between the docks. These fish aren't always up underneath. They kind of roam around as the day goes. But number two is going to be fish cribs. Fish cribs is a man-made fish holding structure that's generally planted by people and dropped to the bottom. They're on break lines, usually from 12 to 20 feet of water. And all you're going to do then is just go down the bank and go down the break with your side imaging on. We use about 100 feet is what we set our graphs at. We go down the bank. As soon as we see a fish crib on the side imaging, we put a waypoint on it and we turn around and fish those cribs. The key to fish cribs is to make sure they're good, solid, and upright. You do not want a fish crib that's old, rotten, and that's fallen to the bottom. Those aren't fish holding structures anymore. Those are kind of dead and decayed. The most upright ones, the newest ones, those are the ones you're after. So drop a drop shot on those fish, position the boat, and have a ball.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.